Today, we want to discuss something that will interest most people. I say so because, see, most of the comments I receive when I drop a video is, when I could talk about stress, say something about stress. We want to know about stress. So today, I am addressing stress. Yes, we all know what stress is. And what we have been hearing before now is, okay, relax, don't go to work. But there is actually a practical way to address stress. You may come back from work on a particular day and discover that you are so stressful to the point that, in fact, as if illness already setting in. There is something you can do. You see, very simple. The tips I drop, they come with do-it-yourself kind of formula that anybody can do. Like in this case, we are going to be needing only salt and warm water. Salt and warm water. Now, it is better, or it will be better if the salt is sea salt, that natural salt that look like small stones. Many people know it. What do you do with it? Of course, fill your bathtub with warm water. Pour salt, about a tin cup, like that milk cup of, filled with sea salt. Pour it inside a full bathtub and then soak yourself into it for some time. As you are there, this is what will happen. First and foremost, the muscle will relax. Tensed muscles often accompany stress and anxiety. But when you soak yourself inside warm water containing salt, the first thing that happens is the muscle that is tensed up will relax, followed by hydration process. The pores of the skin open up because of the presence of the salt, and then the body is able to draw in enough water. And where that happens, you know for sure that the cells that are tensed will also relax. Now, the peak of it is that because of the presence of sea salt inside the water, it helps the brain to control the neurotransmitter such that it will reduce, or they will reduce, the release of cortisol, stress hormone that always make the body to become agitated and stressed out. So if you do this anytime you are stressed out, you can try it. Anytime you feel stressed, to the extent that maybe illness or illness seems to be coming in the state of unwell, just do this. Warm water, salt, soak yourself into it for maybe like 30 minutes, 25 minutes, for as long as water is still warm, remain there, and then come out and see how you feel. See the way you're going to sleep that night, and you'll be very glad you tried. Tell me some other time for more tips. And like I always say, if you have not subscribed, remember, go and subscribe now. Then press the like button so that you can always get notified anytime we release a new video. We have done quite a lot of them. And finally, share this video if you find the content useful. Thank you.